Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a topic we all could use a little more of confidence. So, what's the secret sauce to being confident? Well, confidence is built on three key pillars: self-esteem, optimism, and courage. First off, self-esteem is all about believing in your own worth and capabilities. Optimism means having faith in your abilities, and courage is what turns your thoughts into actions. But where does confidence come from? There are three main influences: genetics, environment, and personal choices. Yes, your genes play a role, but so do the social pressures you face and how you were raised. Most importantly, it's about how you respond to challenges and setbacks. Now, let's talk practical tips. Need a quick confidence boost? Try visualizing success, listen to some bass-heavy music, strike a power pose, or give yourself a pep talk. For long-term confidence, focus on nurturing your talents and skills. Embrace a growth mindset. That means seeing challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Neuroscience tells us that our brain connections strengthen with use. Remember, failure is just a part of the journey. Think about J.K. Rowling, who faced numerous rejections before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon, or the Wright brothers, who had countless failed attempts before their first successful flight. The key is to learn from failure. Analyze what went wrong, seek feedback, and most importantly, be kind to yourself. Focus on the knowledge gained and keep pushing forward. So, there you have it. Unlock your inner confidence by believing in yourself, embracing challenges, and learning from your failures. Trust me, you're capable of so much more than you think. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a confidence boost today. See you next time.